Hi guys, Rachel CPR here. Today I wanted to share with you a super quick video on some home decor that I got at the Dollar Tree that was inspired. I was inspired to purchase it because of something that I saw in the Z Gallery catalog. And so I just wanted to share it with you. This is going to be a super quick video and I hope you enjoy it. So this is the catalog that I was referring to. This is the April 2018 Z Gallery catalog, and I went to the Dollar Tree and I saw some pictures and I thought they were really cute, but I didn't get them because I just didn't really think that I needed them in my home until I saw this catalog. I saw this page first and it reminded me of the pictures, and just this simple landscape, I just thought it was amazing. It's not necessarily that you have to have cobalt blue in a room as much as it was just so pretty. But then when I went over to page, let's see, this is another one that I did a little DIY with for my home after I saw that. But this is the other one. And if you go to Dollar Tree a lot, you know exactly which pictures I'm talking about. These pictures right here, it just reminded me of the pictures that I saw at the Dollar Tree. And so I decided to do a somewhat Z Gallery inspired, well, it is a Z Gallery inspired area in my home, because whereas it is not going to look like this, it is definitely from this picture that I was inspired to do what I did. I got these pictures right here from the Dollar Tree, and if you look at the picture from Z Gallery, you see that it's just so, you can see why I was reminded of it anyway. So I got these pictures from the Dollar Tree. They are the longer rectangular pictures, and they are just like, you know, the wood-like material, and then they have a glossy finish. And so what I did was I got a whole bunch of them and I decided just to do a wall in my home, and I absolutely love it. I didn't have anything else in that space that was cobalt blue. And so what I did was I purchased this plant base and some of this rope twine, and I put the rope twine around the top of it just to tone the blue down a little bit, because you can see it's a lot more bold than the blue in the pictures, but I just toned it down a little bit with the rope. And so now I'm just going to show you how that turned out. So this is the final result of my Z Gallery inspired corner in my house. This, unfortunately, because there's so much sunlight coming in toward me, it's kind of hard to get an accurate picture of what's actually happening. But this is what it looks like. I'm sure you'll understand. This is the way I put them on the wall. They're just two different frames or two different pictures, but I just turned them in different directions so that they would look like it was different prints that just coordinate with each other. And then down here, I have the pot. Oh, from this angle, you can see it. Down here, you have the pot that shows you how I brought the cobalt blue into this little area. And I love it. Look how pretty it is. I love it. I can tell you, when I saw this in the Dollar Tree, I just didn't know what to do with them, and so I didn't purchase them. And then I saw that catalog and I said, yes, this is what's going to happen. I was hoping that I could find more so that I can make it one unit of a picture, but it didn't happen that way. I think that even in time, I may put the like pictures all together and just make two prints, since I do have an even number of them. But for right now, I'm completely happy with this staggered look, and I absolutely love it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please remember to give me a thumbs up so that I'll know that you'll like to see these inspired style videos for the home or anything else. And I will talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.